country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe that there are three social members: the father, the mother, and the teachers. These are the words of our late President APJ Kalam. Good morning everyone. As you know, today is 5th of September, the birthday of our first Vice President and second President of Independent India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great philosopher, writer, and above all a great teacher. As he believed teachers should be the best mind in the earth, we celebrate this day to commemorate every teacher in the history as well as to pay respect to the teachers who are presently serving in the society. Everyone who remembers his own education remembers teachers, not methods and techniques. The teacher is the heart of educational system. It is the teacher who makes the difference, not the classroom. Poet, novelist, philosopher, educator and thinker, Sri Rabindranath Tagore was perhaps most passionate about educating mind. He spent 40 years establishing Vishwabharati. No doubt he is called Guru Rabindranath Tagore. According to him, education means enabling the mind to find out that ultimate truth which emancipates us from the bondage of dust and gives us the wealth not of things but inner light. Not power but of love. It is a process of enlightenment. It is a divine wealth. It helps us realizing the truth. Thus, teachers are not only present in classroom. Everyone around us teaches something or the other. The greatest of all teacher is life, that teaches us art of survival. Parents are our prime teachers, our friends, nature, our mistake, everything. Everyone teaches in some form or the other. Today is the day to honor all of them. Talking about honor and respect, today the student-teacher relation has changed tremendously as the society too has changed. In earlier days in India, teachers were considered next to the God. As our culture says, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Today in this pandemic-induced situation, teachers are struggling hard to update themselves with the new technology. It is not easy to teach online, not knowing if the child is listening or not. Sometimes teachers have to face new online naughtiness. The kids are savvy enough to handle gizmos, yet not mature enough to understand the situation. Whatever may be the situation, but the bottom line is teacher will always be a teacher, the one who thinks best for his or her student. No technology can replace the teacher. The COVID-19 lockdown will surely end one day. However, teachers' scars, stresses will remind India's school teacher of their own coronavirus battle for a long time to come. From my side to everyone, a happy Teachers' Day.
We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers,
Good morning to all and a happy Teachers' Day to all our beautiful teachers. Honorable Principal Madam, teachers, parents and all my dear students. It's a great privilege for me this morning to speak few lines on this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day. As you all know, we are facing a terrific situation of pandemic. That's why we are celebrating this day online. I hope and pray everything will become well soon. 5th of September every year we celebrate as Teachers' Day, as it is the birthday of our first Vice President and second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great philosopher, educationist and a teacher. Once his disciple thought of celebrating his birthday and went for the permission, but he said, instead of celebrating my birthday separately, let us give honor and respect to our teachers and celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. Since then, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. All the school and colleges every year they celebrate this day to honor the teachers. Teachership is a noble job, but we think it as a simple and a easy task. It is as difficult as other job. An engineer designed to build a house, but a teacher build up the life of a student. He gives shape to the student's life. Working on a machine is simpler. It is easy, but to deal with the student, teach them, lead them in a right path is a difficult task. Really, they deserve honor and respect. The student is the future citizen of a country. So it is a great responsibility for all the teachers to build them in a better manner, in a right path. I think and hope all our teachers are doing so. That's why Aristotle said, teachers who educate children deserve more honor than parents who merely gave them birth, for latter provide mere life, while the former ensure a good life. The one exclusive sign of thorough knowledge is the power of teaching. In the other hand, APJ Abdul Kalam said, I believe there is no other profession in this world that is more important to society than that of a teacher. Hence, they are very, very important in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
तुमसे ही आशा इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जगह रखी गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला
कक्षा छठवीं में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज शिक्षक दिवस के ऊपर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। क्या दूँ तुम्हें गुरु दक्षिणा मन ही मन सोचूं, क्या दूँ तुम्हें गुरु दक्षिणा मन ही मन सोचूं, चुका न सकूं कर्ज तुम्हारा जीवन अपना दे दूं। पाठ तुम्हीं से पढ़ते हम धैर्य से काम लेते हम, पाठ तुम्हीं से पढ़ते हम धैर्य से काम लेते हम। तुम हो विद्या के सागर तुम्ही से सब कुछ सीखते हम। तुम जो कहते वही हम करते, तुम जो कहते वही हम करते, क्योंकि रहता भरोसा हमको तुम पर, इसलिए तुम शिक्षक कहलाते, इसलिए तुम शिक्षक कहलाते। धन्यवाद।
गुरुवर सामने मेरे तो हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे तो हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो सूरज चांद के उजियारे, मिट गए जीवन अंधियारे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास।
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, my dear teacher, my dear friends. I wish you all very happy Teachers' Day. My name is Jenny Sarah Jimu. I am studying class 6. Today I am here to present a short speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the special day when teachers are appreciated and honored for their remarkable contribution. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, great scholar, educator, philosopher, and the second president of India. Teachers provide us with the teaching how to build our future and survive in this competitive world. So here I am wishing good health and lots of success to all my teachers. Once again, I wish you all very happy